Hi everyone, let's do a quiz for free. From a YouTube video, one of your documents, you name it. First, let's go to quizzes. Link will be in the description. As always, I've got you covered. Sign up with your Google account. You have 3 options: school, work, personal use. Are you a teacher, student, administrator? This is what you see. So what are you going to teach today? That's the question. You can create your own text. Here you can find a lot of quizzes already pre-made for you. Let's have a look at one. Let's check this one about the present simple. Wow, already done. You can use it straight away. But let's do our own. So choose quiz. 3 options. You can generate from zero, upload your doc, or choose a URL to paste. I'll choose the 3rd option, a URL. Copy, paste it. You can now select the grades, select the content, and the number of questions. Voila, here it is. Marvelous. Let's have a look at it. On your right menu, you have some options. So you can add similar questions, you can add explanations to the answers, you can ask it to translate the quiz, and you also have more options. Try them out. As you can see, you can even edit or ask AI to do it for you. You can copy, you can delete it. Check the questions out to see if everything is okay. For me, it's fabulous, so I'll just continue. But of course, I asked to have enhanced questions. When you're done, you have 2 options. You can present the quiz to someone at that moment, or you can give it as an assignment. Let's choose Start Now and see what the students will see. They have 2 options: QR code, or you can join the quiz by writing the number. How fabulous and quick is this? I love it. What about you? So if you like this video and this type of videos, do check out my channel because I have a lot of videos on amazing tools, free tools for you. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.